Imagine walking through a rainforest and finding a river that's hot enough to cook you alive. Deep in the Amazon lies the boiling river of Timpishka. Its waters reach up to 93 degrees Celsius, almost as hot as boiling tea. Locals say animals that fall in are instantly cooked, and scientists still don't fully understand how such extreme heat exists so far from any volcano. It's one of Earth's strangest mysteries hidden in plain sight. Would you dare to dip even a finger in this deadly river? Follow Curiosity Chime for more wild Earth secrets.